Wouldn't it be nice if all you had to do was trace the design with a pen stylus and then save it as a very accurate vector file for loading into any CNC cutting machine? Just trace it with a pen. Wouldn't it be nice if you could trace a design using lines and arcs and save a very accurate vector file for loading into any CNC cutting machine? Just trace those lines and save them as a DXF file. Wouldn't it be nice to trace a circle? All you have to do is trace any 3 points on that circle and save it as a DXF file for loading into any CNC cutting software. There it is. Let's save the file and cut it out.